Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to be doing some maintenance things today. There's a water leak on the Mk2. I think it's a lower hose or something that's leaking, so I'm going to try and get that sorted out, take it for a drive. I haven't driven that car in a while, and I need to do a wheel swap for my dad. He bought a Mini and he needs some wheels because he wants to have the wheels painted, so I'm going to put the wheels on the wagon onto the Mini, and then I'll put my steelies onto the wagon for a while. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for the day. I haven't driven the Mini yet either, so I'm going to take it for a spin. Yeah, hope it's going to be a good one. It's quite a nice color on this microbus. Looks kind of cool. Looks like a synchro. Battery. No. I'm not going to bore you with the details. That's it. There we have it. Steely time. So I just did a wheel swap on the Mini. It looks so funny because these wheels are so wide, and yeah, they just stick out so much. I'm just gonna take it for a drive. I haven't driven it yet. It's stock, so I'm not expecting much. I think they make 128 kilowatts and around 255 Newton meters of torque, which is not bad, but I think the car is quite heavy. Compared to the Mk2, it's similar power. Mk2 makes less torque, like 20 or 30 Newton meters less, but similar sort of kilowatts. I must say the steering wheel is very responsive to movement. Like, just the slightest touch and the car moves. And do a quick 1, 2, 3. Should be good. It's a slight uphill, so probably gonna feel a bit slower. actually not bad. Not bad. I think if I were to race it with the Mark II, it would be very close. I think it would be quite close. Let's feel. On the third. Down, power. Boys. I found the water leak and it's the bottom water hose. Quite a bad leak. I love that sound. Shit, that sun though. So I got the Mark II up and running, got that water leak sorted. Thankfully I had a spare hose just laying around. No idea how, but yep, it was there. And yeah, we're back in the game. I miss driving this car. I'm going to do the same sort of run that I did with the Mini. It's sort of like my go-to test drive run. Just to do a few quick pulls. I'll be able to feel, my bum dyno will tell me which car's quicker. So long. Sounded like it was slipping a bit. Third to fourth sounded like a bit of a slip. I wonder why. It's a fairly new clutch. Yeah, compared to the Mini, this is just like fun factor for days. Oh, GTR. Just need air. How's it? All good, just need air. Yeah. It was actually such a good day. Like, the weather was great. I could actually wear a t-shirt outside, which is great in winter. We've had a couple of cold days, but today was a good one. I really enjoy working on the cars today. Feel productive. The wheels took way longer than I expected, and it's exhausting. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.